Hello, my name is Colton and I'm the Public Information Officer for the Arkansas Arts Council. Today I'm going to walk you through the nomination process for the Governor's Arts Awards. Before we get started, I want to let everyone know that the deadline to nominate someone has been extended to Friday, September 10th. The first thing you will need to do is go to the Arkansas Arts Council website. You can find it on arkansasheritage.com, and I will put a direct link to it in the description of this video. Once you're on arkansasheritage.com, what you'll want to do is scroll down here to where it says Explore Our Agencies and Museums, and on the very far left is the Arts Council. Click on the icon, which will bring up a small description of the website, and then just click on Visit Site. Once there, take a look at the left-hand dashboard right over here and click on Programs. It will reveal a drop-down menu, and you will want to click on Governor's Arts Awards. This will bring you to the main page. Right underneath the main photo on the Governor's Arts Awards page is a button you can click on to start the nomination process. Clicking on the Nominate Now button will bring you to the site where you can put in all the information needed to make a nomination. The first thing you will need to do is to create an account before you can fill out the nomination form. So you'll want to click on the Create Account button, and it's pretty straightforward. Fill out all of the information here and it will send a confirmation email. Once you see that in your inbox, click on the link and it will bring you back to the main login page. Your account will have been created and you can log in and nominate someone. Once you are logged in, scroll to the bottom and you will see the 2022 Governor's Arts Awards section. Go ahead and click on the blue Apply button. Now you can start the process. Be sure to check the box near the top of the application to make sure your nominee meets the requirements. So this box right here. And then from there, you can start to fill out your nominee's information as well as upload the required supporting documents. As you can see right here, you can upload a file, and right here as well, you can upload a file. Then once you're finished with that, just type out your name in the signature box right here, add the date, and after that, just click on the blue Submit Application button, and you are done. You can also feel free to email me if you have any questions at colton.fall, F-A-U-L-L, @arkansas.gov.